beauty of summer is in the thunderstorm. The rain that dances on my window pane, the cloudy mist of gray greets me this day. For a moment, I will relish in this great rain. After the morning rain, I begin my day. I see beauty in the mist, even in the mundane. The task set before me, I choose to reflect. I take time to savor, with gratitude, this life. Today is a new day, a new beginning, a fresh start. I can choose to be bitter or to love with my heart. There's so much to distract me on this summer day. Yet, I choose to stay focused with no delay. The table is set, the time is now. August is here. It's time to reflect. I will cherish the past and embrace the future. I have so much to look forward to on this summer morning after the rain.